Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another day of the EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, bro. Join the EVS crew, cause now we are family if you do that. So guys, today's a busy day. Let's get started on the day. Alright. Yo, when I say we work on Teslas, we work on Teslas. I mean, we got Teslas all day, every day. It's very cool. I love the smell of new Teslas. There's something about it. Alright guys, I'm here, so I'm visiting our friend here. We're taking care of our Tesla client right now. But before I let it go, let me show what we're doing to it, because this one is also another Model X that we're doing. And it's a project too. So yesterday you guys saw a white Model X that we're working on, but we're also working on a black one too. First things first, we're changing out the wheels to Vossen Wheels. I'm gonna show you what they look like. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise for you guys yet. You guys are gonna have to see, but it's gonna look really good. The 22s, and of course, one of our specialties, Photosync window tint on all the side windows in the back. It's gonna help keep it cooler. Oh, and by the way, since we're talking about this right now, let me just show you this. Look at these people staring at me. You wanna be on camera? No? Yeah? While we're on the topic of this, I want to show you something. So the back windows are a lot darker than the front windows, and the reason for that is from factory, but a lot of people think that this is actually blocking heat, but it's not. This is actually just privacy glass. It's not really doing anything as far as heat rejection goes. I hear a lot of clients telling me that they don't want to get this tinted, but guys, if you have a Tesla Model X or even any trucks or SUVs or crossovers, your back windows come like this. They come dark from factory, but they're not doing anything. It's not helping you at all. Well, maybe it's helping a little bit, but it's not what you're thinking. If you care about heat rejection at all, you have to get this tinted. Otherwise, you're really doing yourself a disservice, because heat is still coming from the back, even if you get the fronts tinted. So we're tinting the fronts and the back on this, and this is gonna make a huge difference. Especially if you have kids or anyone that sits in the back often, they're gonna feel the burn if they don't have tint on there. I don't know if you guys can see, but these, can you see the calipers? Can't really see because it's so back in there, but we're gonna be painting all the calipers on this Model X red. This is a great option if you didn't get the package from factory or you just want a different color. We can do that. And the cool thing is, you see how it says Tesla on the calipers? There you go. You see how it says Tesla on the calipers? We are actually gonna keep that on there. A lot of people, when they repaint the calipers, they lose the lettering or the logo, but we have a way of actually keeping it on there, so you still keep the Tesla word on each caliper. So it looks OEM almost, but it's not, because it's custom. I saw this part over here that looks so dirty that for a second I thought it looked like it was forged carbon, but it's not. It's just black. Let me show you. Is it just me, or did it look like forged carbon? Hold on, let me stand further back. This is where I saw it from. I saw it from here. Does that look like forged carbon from here? No? No? Maybe? Not really? Okay, never mind. Alright, so I just dropped off a car, so now I gotta get a ride back to the shop. What am I gonna do? I know what to do. Now we wait. Yo, where are we going, bro?
I don't know.
Yo, what happened to your grill? There's no grill. There's no grill anymore. Why'd you take off your grill?
I'm painting it, bro.
Oh. Where is he? There he is. Yo, what's up, guys? So we got Min. We're taking him back to work while we work on his Mustang. Say what's up, dog.
What up? What up?
Yo, so are you excited to get new wheels for your car?
I'm hella excited.
What wheels are you getting?
Brixton RF7s.
Nice, nice. Yo, guys, so once we're done with that, I'll show what it looks like, but yo, it's sick. You guys gotta watch out for that, alright?
Check it out.
So, like, those cheap little insurance companies, I guess the reason they're so cheap is they only insure, like, really old cars.
How do crawfish places
Okay, ignore me.
Year-round?
You took all the little,
Like the crumb trim.
Is that why you don't come to work anymore?
Starting a wrap shop. Hit me up.
Yo, that's your shop name.
Hit me up, Raps.
Hit me up, Raps. 713, hit me up. Oh my god, bro. Bro, that's my idea. You can't steal it. I'm gonna try to take that phone number. Imagine you had a rap shop and your phone number was 713, hit me up. Yo, what's your rap name? What's your rap shop, man? It's Hit Me Up Raps. Oh, cool. What's your phone number? Man, don't worry about it. Just 713, hit me up. Ah, dope.
That's so Houston, man.
That is so Houston.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
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 Thank you. Man. I'll see you later.
Bye, man. Have a good day. Make some new friends.
So sad.
They grow up so fast. Ow. Thank you.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, it's the Aston. It's the Aston, bro.
What kind of Aston, Haywood?
It's a DB11.
No, it's not.
DB12?
No.
Vantage.
Yes.
Isn't that the same thing?
No.
Oh, God. Oh, yo, look at that wrap job, guys. Yo, Tyler, what do you think of that wrap job right now? Dude, it's rainbow. It's like a chrome rainbow.
Wait for the front.
Wait, why? What's in the front? Oh my God. It looks like it has fruit roll up on in its mouth and it's just stuck in it.
I can see the whole hood.
Satin black and so dirty. When are you gonna start to wash this piece of shit today? Alright, so we're back at the shop. Let me show you what cars we're working on today. We got two really cool rides happening. Let me show you. I think we bring out the coolest M3s and M4s in Houston, man. Seriously, like, look at this one. Another Vorsteiner BMW. We got Vorsteiner Sport Forged wheels, just like the M4 that we sold. Those were rose gold. This is more of a polished gold, so a little bit different, but God, look at that. That thing just pops. Breaking necks. Vorsteiner rear spoiler on the rear deck. Vorsteiner rear diffuser as well in the back. This is a sick daily driver, guys. In today, because we're doing some maintenance on it. This is the second project that we're working on today. Mustang GT. Look at this. I like the color scheme. I like the white with the black and the red pinstripe. Pretty clean. What are those? What are those? This one is in here with us because we're putting on Brixton wheels on it. Yo, we're already getting started on the Model X that I showed you guys yesterday. So we're tinting it right now. Let me kind of show you the progress, what we got so far, okay? All right, so this side window is done already. As you can tell, it's nice and dark. And this one is done too, as you can tell. So nice. Straight line. Yo, this is moving. Yo, this is moving along pretty nicely. Look at it. Ooh, I'm excited to see how it looks like once it's done.
No! Not again.
Will, let's be real here. We both know you like being on camera. Crashing your own car with the...
Can't find me now. I've been found.
All right, guys, we have a new segment with Will. Let's get started. Just a tip, just a tip, just a tip with me.
When cleaning glass, off a weave.
Alright guys, we're still working on the front bumper of the McLaren. As you can tell, this is not easy. A lot of people don't realize how much work goes into vinyl wrapping. We've been at this for, what, day and a half now? And we're, day and a half, is that right? I think day and a half. And we are still working on this. And it's harder because we're doing, obviously, this custom like body line style where we're keeping the main paint, but we're adding to it. It's definitely taking a bit of time. A lot of people don't realize how much work goes into it, but it does take a bit of time. Ow!
Will, nobody likes you. I'm so tired of you and your little stains on floor mats.
Put it in the freezer. Hey, tip of the day.
So that way we don't ever have to call an AC company and pay them hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to replace our filters. Be careful when you take off the lock because that gate might drop down.
Wait,
Might be a
what
death
key
trap.
do we...
Okay. Oh. Alright. Oh my God. Holy shit, this is creepy as hell. Yo, I've always wanted to go up there and see what that was. Now I can see it. Is there a ladder? Can you go in there? Whoa. Oh, okay, that's gross. I'm not going up there. Look what we got in. All right, so we got two things to unbox. We have this box here, and then we have this box down here. So I'm gonna unbox this one first, and then we'll do this one second. So let's get started. So when you buy a car from Vorsteiner, they'll give you this card, and basically what's inside is a little, so basically it's a little card of authenticity. So it's kind of cool, just kind of show you that you do have something legitimate. And that way, if you ever decide to sell the parts later on, you can at least maybe sell this with it so people know that this is legit. Whoa, look at this, guys. carbon fiber Vorsteiner side skirts for a Tesla Model 3. They are starting to come in. This is the first piece of the Volta kit that we're getting in. So this is the side skirt for the Model 3. Guys, look at this carbon fiber. It's sick. So this is actually the back side of it. Unfortunately, people will never probably see this just because it is the back side. But look how pretty and how glossy that looks. The clear cut on this is awesome. And you guys can just see the weaving on this. It just looks great. So on the end of the fin, you have this Vorsteiner badge. So this is the front lip spoiler for the Model 3. Look at that aggressive fin they got going on the ends. I love that. That is so nice. I've always got a thing for these like canards looking ends, or what you want to call them. It just makes it look super aggressive, especially for a car like the Model 3 that's kind of bubbly and isn't super aggressive. It definitely needs something like this to spice it up. You have straight weaving running all the way through. Another Vorsteiner badge on there. So in case you're not familiar with the Tesla kit that Vorsteiner has, it's called the Volta program. I'm gonna put some pictures up here for you so you can see them. It totally changes the way the car looks. The Model 3, as you know, looks a little bubbly. It doesn't really look that aggressive. So the kit completely changes that. So the kit has a front spoiler, it has side skirts, it also has a rear spoiler and a rear diffuser as well. So there's a bunch of other parts to this. We haven't gotten the full kit yet just because they just started coming out now. So we are just getting them in slowly but surely, but this is what we have so far. But if you have a Tesla Model 3 and you want this kit, comment down below or email me. Let me know you subscribed and that you're part of the EVS crew, and we'll take care of you. We'll make sure we get you a kit as well. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Join the EVS crew. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me know in the comments what you like, what you want to see more of, and I will do it for you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.